Gary Gwynn Moris. He's a December boy like me, 1948. Singer and stage actor. He charted a string of hits on the country music charts throughout the 80s. He's best known for the 1983 ballad, The Wind Beneath My Wings, although his credits include more than 25 other chart singles on the Billboard country charts, including 5 number one hits. He's released 9 studio albums, mostly in the country pop vein, with his 1983 Why Lady Why having earned a gold certification.
Radio on, just for a little noise. Empty house, I just needed to hear the sound of another voice. One more day, they're all running together. One more day, they're all starting to look the same. Ain't no sun, ain't no blue sky. The wind blows cold now that you've gone away. And tomorrow, just like today, there's 100% chance of rain. Yesterday won't go away. It hangs like an angry cloud over me, over and done. There was so little time allowed for all that love. You said it hurt you to give up all my love. Oh, but look what it's doing to me. Ain't no sun, ain't no blue sky. The wind blows cold now that you've gone away. And tomorrow, just like today, there's 100% chance of rain. Ain't no sun, ain't no blue sky. The wind blows cold now that you've gone away. And tomorrow, just like today, there's 100% chance of rain.
Well, folks, there's the forecast. 100% chance of rain. And when it rains, it pours. Interesting vocals going on here. Why Lady Why sounds familiar to me. He's a Fort Worth, Texas boy. Why am I not associating him with The Wind Beneath My Wings? Didn't Bette Midler?
Yeah.
Okay. And some other folks too, right? Okay, I'd love to hear his version of that. Let's see. So Baby Bye Bye, he had a number one with in 1985. Baby Bye Bye. Leave Me Lonely was another hit for him. He had a chart-topping duet with, arguably, Mr. H, the sexiest woman in country music, Crystal Gale, you know, of Donuts Make My Brown Eyes Blue fame. That one was called Making Up for Lost Time. Okay, he won in 1984 Song of the Year for Wind Beneath My Wings. Did he win that for doing the song or for writing it? Song of the Year in 1984, Academy of Country Music Awards. Okay, wow, what a great find. Brand new for me. So the song, thank you, D, by the way. Yeah, 100% chance of rain. It was raining. When it rains, it pours. I love his vocals. Not surprised that he's from Texas. Not surprised at all. Unique vocal chops. I love his intensity that he brings with those vocals. And a good song. Really good song.